This video is about how to draw a circuit diagram neatly. Okay. First observation is we have to see that it should be even, because when you turn over the page there is a taper in the left hand side of the drawing paper. So what you have to do is you have to balance equally, that is most important. So what you do is you keep another note here. Also what you can do is you can place x-ray sheet or something like that beneath the paper so that the diagram is neat. So first, how to draw a circuit diagram which covers Ohm's law. Step 1, any diagram should be rectangular in shape. Okay, just open the circuit diagram. So first draw the diagram lightly with the 2H pencil. Of course, I am drawing with HB pencil, but you should make use of 2H pencil. So this should be, corner should be exactly 90°. Now, to draw the ammeter, what you have to do is you can make use of pro circle, eraser. So here you have to fix your ammeter. So you can make use of uh, this slot. Here comes ammeter, and then for drawing a resistance, what you can do is just erase it between these 2 points. See that you just have 4 peaks and here 3 peaks. This is, and next step you have to draw the voltmeter. So voltmeter, you position the template and draw a circle. Then you can draw this line, here also another line. See, any additional line can be erased with the eraser, but make sure you place your something to protect your original diagram. Now I am going to erase this portion. It is erased. Here again I will erase. Here also you can erase. So the next step will be you have to draw the battery. For drawing the battery, what you have to do is the positive line should be a single line, whereas the negative end of the battery should have double thickness, that is double thickness. Then you have to introduce a key. For introducing a key, you can use pro circle. And in the center, you have to place a dot. So this is the way you have to draw the key. and here I have a variable resistance. So a rheostat, so see that with free hand you can draw the rheostat and see that these two, all the peaks are in parallel with the line. Okay. Now the variable point should touch only the peak, it should not go inside. So for drawing the arrows, you should maintain, if this is one part, the length should be 3 parts. And you must draw like this and shade inside, see that it does not go outside the boundary. Okay. The important point here is this arrow should not go inside, because it does not make sense, because it has to slide over the rheostat. If it goes inside, how it will slide? So it becomes meaningless. So this is another point. So next, then without confirming, don't draw with HB. Always draw with 2H. Everything is okay means then you can go for using HB. Okay. HB pencil. So now this is voltmeter. The symbol for voltmeter, V. Since this is positive, the current will be going like this. So this end will be higher potential and this end will be lower potential, that we know. So this you mark it as positive and this as negative. So the voltmeter positive should be connected here and negative here. Okay. Now ammeter A. This is ammeter. This end is positive because current goes like this and this is negative. Okay. Now for doing the experiment, this is rheostat, so R, H, rheostat. This is key, K. So this is battery, B, T. See, actually this battery is a variable source. If you want to vary means, because you are going to take different readings, in that case the battery source can be a variable also. So this is R, resistance. While lettering the R, you should letter like this. Okay. Now complete the diagram with the HB pencil. Now actually if you know the source and these values, we can always fix the value. Actually you have to indicate the value of the ammeter that you are going to get from the stores. Voltmeter, resistor value. So most probably you can have a battery of 0 to 12 volts. Maybe you can have 1 kilo ohms resistor. The rheostat can be 0 to 10K variable resistor. So if you know 10, 1, 12, based on that you can estimate the value of ammeter. Always you must specify the value of ammeter from 0 to some milliamps, or if you are going to use a very high voltage means in the amps. Now if you see here, to erase this part, what you have to do, you protect the original diagram and then use your eraser and start rubbing that unwanted portion. This is how you have to draw the circuit diagram. Thanks for watching. Nandri.